What's up, YouTube world? I am Biggs. It is May 8th, 2022. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I'm doing this video to share with you how you can take my money. Literally, I am giving away a bunch of stuff along with the NOSH community. So if you like free NFTs, if you like free cryptocurrency, if you like free stuff in general, stick around and watch this whole video. As always, hit the subscribe button. Like the video so you can help the YouTube algorithm spread this video around to more people, and make sure share it yourself and hit that bell so you can get notified when I drop a new video. Now, let's rock. Now, before I begin, I have got to tell you about an opportunity to score some free stock with the Webull link below in the description. Yes, I know the markets are really low right now, but if you sign up for Webull with my link below and deposit $5, you can buy crypto while it's on a blazing sale right now. A $5 investment will get you also a free $5 in cryptocurrency, or you can invest in a stock of your choice and you will get 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600 when you open and fund your Webull account with the link in the description of this video. This offer is limited, so pause the video if you have to. You can go get that done, come back, and find out how you can possibly win some of my money. Now that that's out of the way, since the markets are so crazy and low right now, there's so much volatility in the markets, it is a scary time for a lot of people. Other people, on the other hand, people like myself, the circle that I am surrounding myself with, we see these as some super shopping discount days. The dev team for the NOSH coin has decided to boost reflections as an appreciation to the holders and believers in this very special crypto security project. If you don't know what NOSH is, you can obviously see it on the coin. The title, I'll throw it up here. Check out the website. It is a crypto security project. It's like the security blanket of the cryptocurrency world. I've been involved in it for a few months, and it's an amazing, amazing project. So, for a limited time, reflections to holders have been increased from 1% to 4%. That means anytime somebody buys or sells, there was a 1% that went into a pool that was distributed between all of the holders, everybody that has a wallet. That has been increased to 4% for a limited time. This is to help the current holders and the new community members who are buying NOSH and adding it to their bags, as well as give the NOSH community a little bit of faith, a little bit of endurance, a little bit of patience during these tough times in the market. As soon as the market starts turning around, there are huge things coming, including the highly anticipated NFT release, which will have special NFTs that you can earn passive income. Other NFTs will unlock secret missions. We can go more into that in another video. And every NFT is your ticket into the NOSH platform exclusive area when it is released, as long as you hold your NFT. Everyone will have some access to the NOSH platform, but holding the NOSH NFT gives you exclusive access to many parts of the NOSH platform, including the AI-powered token checker that checks a crypto contract for possibilities of scams, honeypots, and rugpulls. Access to exclusive educational areas where you can find answers to your questions and get them answered personally by experienced members of the NOSH staff, possibly even access the upcoming Metaverse plan for NOSH, which will include crypto podcasts and review platforms within the Metaverse itself. There are also plans in the very near future to be added to more exchanges, possibilities of global partnerships, and much, much more. There is a huge roadmap that still has yet to be accomplished, and it is being done. So I'm really excited to see where this is going to go, but we'll talk about that another time. Let's get into this. Because I've personally been a holder and supporter of NOSH for months, I've gotten to know many of the global community members and consider them personal friends. I've worked out a deal with a few of the top holders in the community to throw out some rewards to the NOSH holders. Now, this includes new holders, so if you decide to become a NOSH holder today or tomorrow or the next day, you're part of the community. So this is everybody. This is everybody that holds now or will hold over the next week. I've created special mystery NFTs that I am personally going to give away every single day. Each day I'm giving away 20 NFTs to 20 people who have purchased at least $10 worth of NOSH. You will receive at random one of the daily special mystery NFTs if you are the winner. So if 100 people purchase $10 worth, those 100 people are going into a prize wheel, and 20 people will be chosen. To be eligible, all you have to do is buy at least $10 worth of the USD value in NOSH. In addition, one person each day during this contest period will receive a very special one-of-one limited NFT. And when you show that NFT link off in the NOSH Discord, you will be contacted by somebody in the community team that is involved in this giveaway, and we are going to send you 4 trillion tokens. So in 7 days, I'm giving away hundreds of NFTs, and members of the NOSH community are giving away 28 trillion tokens along with me, just because we believe in this project so much, we enjoy being part of this community so much, and we want to share it with as many people as possible. Stick around. I am going to show you what these exclusive NFTs that I personally designed specifically for this Reflection Boost rally look like. So I'm gonna show you what the NFTs look like. You can decide whether or not it's worth $10. That $10 is going to be worth more than $10 when the markets turn around anyways. In order to be eligible, there are a few things that you have to do. First, you'll have to click the link below in the description of this video, sign up for the Reflection Rally contest. There, you'll have the form will come up that I personally created. You'll drop your email address. You will need to add your BSC wallet address where your NOSH is held, so your NOSH wallet address. And that's so we know where to deposit the 4 trillion tokens if you should win. And you could win more than that if you're entering every day. So we have to have that wallet address so we know where to put your tokens if you should win. If you need help with that, click on the link for the NOSH Telegram to join the community and just ask. A community member will be more than happy to help you with that. And you'll need to add your OpenSea wallet address, so if you win one of the NFTs that I've created, I can send that to you as well. Now, I do understand it seems scary to share that information to a lot of people, but this is truly the only way to make this fair, to make this random, and to make sure that you get your prizes when you win. If you have any questions or doubts, jump into the social media communities, the Discord community for NOSH. Make sure you click on the website below. Any of the websites in the description. Don't click on any websites that are not in the description of this video, because we don't know who put them there. But if it's a website in the description of the video, you can trust me. If you're not sure about NOSH, if you're not sure if it's the right project for you, that is absolutely okay. I'm not going to give you financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what you should and shouldn't invest in. But I will always insist on doing your own research, and I will encourage you to jump in the Telegram, jump in the Discord channels, hang out, and get to know some of the people in there. It's okay to tell them that Big sent you. I don't get any type of reward or payment for this. I just want to support the community, and I want to help this absolutely amazing and necessary project succeed and grow. So with that said, good luck. I hope you win. I hope you're able to take some of these trillions of tokens we're giving away, or maybe 1 or 2 of these NFTs we're giving away. And we'll see you in the NOSH socials. All of the links are below. Sign up link, Webull link, and of course the NOSH website where you can find the link for the Telegram and the Discord. Come hang out with us, and I will see you soon. Good luck. I almost forgot. This contest is 7 days. 7-day period. I am on the West Coast. So, starting at midnight tonight, when the clock strikes 12, May 9th, that kicks off the first round of giveaways. 7 days. 20 NFTs are going to be given away every day. One special NFT is going to be given away every day. And if you win that special NFT, show it off in the Discord, you will get 4 trillion NOSH tokens just for holding on to that NFT. So, 7 days of contests. There's the deal. Starts at midnight tonight. Let's go. Now for the sneak peek, the NOSH Reflection Rally. 147 NFTs given away in 7 days. 28 trillion tokens will be given away May 9th through May 16th. Daily NFTs given to 20 random wallets. 20 of each created. This includes turntable dabs and bunny dabs. Also includes puggy dabs and unicorn dabs. Also introducing monkey dabs and koala dabs. And last but not least, Rocket Man dabs. 20 of each of these will be given away every day for a 7-day period. Now, one lucky winner each day will win 4 trillion NOSH coins with an exclusive 1-of-1 Royal NFT. The exclusive Royal NFTs include King Louis NOSH and King Henry NOSH, Alexander of Noshiton and Charles II of Noshingham, Shaka Zunosh and Nosharella, and finally, the real King Diamond Hands. So if you get your hands on one of these exclusive NFTs, you will win trillions of tokens. Good luck, everybody.